Welcome back to another video, and today we are taking a look at Series 3 My Little Pony Squishy Pops. It's a 3-pack and it comes with a Starlight Glimmer and a clear Derpy. Amazing. Now I have a normal Derpy Squishy Pop, so it would be awesome to have a clear one. And the Series 3, not Series 3, oh my god, I'm way off. I said Series 3 because these are Series 3. Wave 16 My Little Pony Blind Bag from the Nightmare Night Friendship is Magic collection. And I've opened some of these on my channel. So let's first start with the blind bag. So these are all the ponies you can get. You can get Golden Harvest, Sassafras, Fluttershy, Trixie, Lula Moon, Twilight Sky, Uncle Orange, Electric Sky, Crimson Gala, Twilight Velvet, Magnet Bolt, Chancelot, and Shoeshine. I've never heard of Shoeshine. From these blind bag ponies I actually don't think I have any of them. They are so cool. So I'm going to open it. And like I always say, comment down below if you have any of the toys I review. I would love to know. Electric Sky. She shares her ideas. Oh my gosh, she looks amazing. I love the metallic-ness of her. Her cutie mark is 3 lightning bolts. Oh my god, she's awesome! Wow, I love her! Now it's time to open the 3-pack of Squishy Pops. And these are the ponies you can get. You can get the main 6, and you can also get DK Pontre, Derpy, Curly, Octavia, Starlight Glimmer, and Spike. And you can get every single one of them in normal and clear, but only the main 6 have their hooves sticking up. And you can get the Ferris wheel display set and the Sweet Shop display set. And I have the Ferris wheel display set. And this was £2.49 at Toy Town. And it used to be £3.99. This set is so cool. I love Squishy Pops. My favourite Squishy Pops are the clear ones. Let's look at the mystery one first. The mystery one has a question mark. So who will I get? I hope I don't get one I already have, like one of these 2 or one I have in my bedroom. Here's the checklist. Clear DK Pony 3. Awesome! I'll take that black thing off. So now I got 2 clear ones in front of me. DK and Derpy and Starlight Glimmer. So thank you for watching this short little review of my Squishy Pop review with Starlight Glimmer, Derpy, DK, and my blind bag pony. So which pony did I review today was your favourite? Comment down below. And thank you so much for 423 subscribers. And please do not forget to subscribe to Rainbow Magic Book Club, my second YouTube channel. Remember to stay magical, and please no rude or mean comments or your comment will be deleted. Bye!